First take out the laser tube. Remove the red high voltage protective cover. Note: place the light emitting end of the laser tube where there has the lens.
The position of the light exit is about 10 centimeters 3.9 inch away from the lens.
Fix laser tube. But don't tighten the screws for now.
Next, connect the water pipe and laser tube. Be careful to connect the pipes securely. Note that the water pipe must be firmly connected. Avoid the water pipe falling off the laser tube during use. Turn the laser tube. Keep the water inlet at the bottom and the water outlet at the top. Fix the laser tube. Fix the laser tube and must add the foam to prevent the laser tube from breaking. Both positions need to be fixed. Note again that the water pipe and laser tube must be installed firmly. The water pipe must cover the second pump on the laser tube. Both sides are the same. Note that must have punch. Tighten the screws to let the laser tube cannot turn. After fixing the laser tube, connect the high voltage wire to the right side of the laser tube. Tighten the screws to fix the wires. Put the red high voltage protective cover on the right side. Connect the low voltage line to the left side of the laser tube. Make sure the connection is firm. Next, then install the metal protective cover. Be careful not to touch the laser tube during installation to avoid damage. Lift the drag pane. Check every screw hole aligned. Use screws to fix the drag pane and metal protective cover. Use the tools in the tool box. Next, install the other parts of the machine. Water pump, tool sensor, DSP handle. Tool sensor is installed on the left side of the machine with a fixed connection port, or the connection port is near the spindle. Take out the handle cable. One side passes through the control box and connects to the top of the control card. Tighten the screws. Connect the other side to the handle and fix the screws. Next, prepare 2 buckets of clean water as long as there are no impurities. Choose a thinner water pipe. It is to cool the spindle to make the water circulation. Take out the water pump and install the port to connect the water pipe.
然后安上接口，安装接口。接口完成之后，把水泵放入水箱。
Put the pump into the water, choose any one pipe and connect it to the port.
任意一根水管插入水泵，然后另一端直接放入水箱内。
Put the other one pipe in the water.
直接放入水箱内，实行水循环。这是主轴冷却的管，然后使用。
Then take out the second pump and install the port.
然后给机关管冷却。
Both pumps are connected to power.
插头插入机器左侧的插座上。这是220伏单向的电源。然后机关管
Use another thicker water pipe. Choose any water pipe, connect it to the water pump, and put the other one into the water. This pipe is for the laser tube.
还是放入水箱内，实行水循环。现在是机关管和主轴冷却的水箱水泵连接完成。现在接入大水泵。
Now install the big water pump. It is to cool the bits.
这个插座插哪节个？
回去到时候在外一个大的，咱换个撒口的。
换个撒口的。
还有个气泵呢，那个气泵在哪？
Use raw material tape to wind first, and then install the port.
咱给它解好，解好了就给他们直接插。
接入之后放入水箱。
这个一般是放到
放在这边呗，应该。
Then put it in the water tank on the left side of the machine.
左边水箱，左边为干净水，它会过滤，自动过滤。然后粗的水管，一根粗的水管。
Choose a thicker water pipe connected to the pump.
水泵之上，这里灌满水。对，放倒之后
Fill in clean water, and then turn on the power to work normally. Next, we connect power on the control box of the machine. Pass your wire through the bottom right of the machine. This is 308 volts, has 3 L wire and 1 N wire. According to the label, connect L and N. turn on your power and let the machine power on.
接入电源之后，机器接入电源之后，然后是接充电源之后，
After connecting the power, check the stop button. If can it be pressed and popped up.
然后是打开。现在是指向雕刻，就是
This is the switch to control spindle and laser.
功能。这边是
The left means spindle,
机关
the right means right.
咱们先打开雕刻，然后
This is the switch to control the power of the machine. It must be turned on before work. DSP handle working.